Hello, welcome to Caravan Salon. This is a Dreamer Campervan company which is owned by Rapido, Campervan XL Limited. There's the price. So, just in case you didn't believe me, campervan costing that much money, 636 centimeters long, it's 288 high, so it's got an additional bit put on the roof, and that is part of where the money's going. Not just part, that's a major part of where the money's going. Okay, we've got up there in the roof, that is a bed which will drop down. We've got a very large, for a camper van of this size, table, seating group around, which can also be changed if necessary. You can see that seat there could be put down or can stay up. Good place to keep your feet if you're in the driving position with the chair turned round, or in the other position, the forward facing bench. We've got here kitchen extension, sink, good size. We've got 2 burners, we've got drawers down there. Come to the kitchen. I'll stay in the kitchen. We've got, sorry, I'm not going to open this because it's been factory protected. We've got a large fridge there. We've got here at the back, look at all this storage. I think this is quite good actually. This really makes use of the space there. So they put the roof up high, and they're using the space and also to give this really large bed down here. I'm not so keen on so much as this, which I've called the horse box approach. Look how much space you've got in there whilst using the toilet. Not a lot. You can see it from above. There you go. Not a lot. I don't like that toilet. As I see it, the only way in fact to use the toilet is to actually close the door there and hope that it'll be easier from the rear end. Well, you could actually do the blinds up there. Here we've got a wardrobe, and here we've got a shower. So you can put that goes there like that. We can put the light in the shower on. Oh no, it's not one of these that works like that. Okay, right, never mind. Some of them you can just touch them, obviously not that one. And there you've got your wardrobe from this end as well. That's quite a good use of space. You can also take this out so your clothing will drop down when it's in the shower. I have my doubts about this system. Nice big table, space for television. Let's come to the back. And at the back we've got these dividers, which makes it much easier to stack things like deck chairs and outdoor tables. We've got space there. That's a gas cupboard, space for 2 gas cylinders. You can see what it looks like with the wardrobe there, and that is a ladder to get into the bed, which drops down over the dinette, semi-dinette at the front. So there you go. There's the Dreamer Campervan XL. I'm not so keen on it myself.